Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an empties video for you guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. First, I want to talk about my sweater. I love this sweater. I bought it when we went to Vegas and I wore it once, I think once in Vegas, and then I haven't worn it since. But now it's like, we woke up this morning and it was a negative 35 degrees out, so yeah. It's a cold one today. The buses were 2 hours late, which was not surprising. So I have a lot of things that I threw away and that we need to talk about. So we're gonna go through the candles really fast. Of course, I went through a lot of the Bath & Body Works ones. This one is the fireside? It's the marshmallow fireside. And then I went through a black cherry one. I have some Halloween ones in here. This is Haunted Night, and then a rose water ivory. I went through a couple of them. I feel like I go through that scent a lot. And then I have a leaves one here. I believe I have 2 of them. Yes, I have 2 leaves candles that I went through. And then I have this. This is by far my favorite Halloween scent from Bath & Body Works. This is the Vampire Blood. It is amazing. I love that scent. I believe that's all the Bath & Body Works candles. But I did go through 2 of these from Cozy Me Candles. So this girl that I watch on YouTube, she talks about these candles all the time. So I picked a couple of them up. I have the Addams Family one and Hocus Pocus. I don't think I will be repurchasing these. They're just not like the Bath & Body Works. I feel like Bath & Body Works kind of spoiled me now with just how their scent is so strong, and it just lingers throughout my entire house. These were nice. They were nice. It's just not my favorite. And then I picked up a couple candles from Walmart. I saw this brand. I'm not sure what the brand is, but I picked up some, and I have to say, they're only $5, and I do not like them. They did not let off a big enough smell that made me like be amazed by them, and also it was so hard to keep these lit. The flame on them was just not that big, and they just kept wanting to go out, and it felt like it took forever to burn through these, which is usually a good thing, but it's bad when you're trying to burn through them to get rid of them. And yeah, so I have this one. It is in the scent Life is Too Short to Be Vanilla, I Would Rather Be Sleepin', Apple Why Ever After, and then the last one here is Great Positive Energy. That's all of the candles, I believe. Now I'm just gonna pull and go through. I'm not gonna do it in any sort of order. I went through quite a bit of like face masks and sheet masks and stuff like that. So the first one that I went through was this I use this I Wake Up Like This eye foils. I think I used this for a TikTok. I did like it. It did hydrate my under eyes. I didn't really notice a huge difference after my makeup was done, but it was fun to do. And then I used this Stay Dewy Skin sheet mask by the Creme Shop. I love the Creme Shop face mask or sheet masks. They're amazing. From the first brand that I just talked about, I also went through their sheet mask, and then there was a lip mask. Out of all 3 of them, the lip one was not my favorite. It didn't do much of anything to my lips, so. And then I went through one of these Focus Spot Line and Wrinkle Micro Tip Patch. This is from Dr. Jot. This is weird. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but this is why I picked it up, because I thought that was so interesting. So what they are is they're little patches that you put on your skin, and they have these little kind of like soft spikes on it, and you push them in. It doesn't hurt or anything, and it's supposed to remove wrinkles and whatever. I don't think it did anything. I just wanted to pick it up because I thought it was kind of cool. I got to use this twice, and it was $5.99. It wasn't worth the money, but I had to pick it up. I have a couple hair products here. I have this one from Heritage. This is the Daily Shampoo. It was okay. It was kind of like any other shampoo that I've got from the dollar store, from the drugstore. Yeah, nothing amazing. The smell of it wasn't that good. It didn't linger on for a very long time, so I probably wouldn't repurchase this. But this one from L'Oreal, this is the L'Oreal Total Repair 5. I love this line from L'Oreal. This smells so good. I used to like hate this smell because I used it all the time when I damaged my hair, but now when I smell it, I love it again. So yeah, I don't know if it really does a lot to really repair your hair, but it does leave your hair really soft and smooth. I did find this new product that I used 2 nights ago in my hair. It was a leave-in conditioner. I put it in my hair, I braided my hair, I went to bed, woke up in the morning, took a shower, washed it out, and my hair, this is 2 days later, you guys, and it is so silky smooth. I love it. I'm going to play with that a little bit more and see if I like it or not, and if I do, I was going to do a video on it. But yeah, this product right here, I've been buying this for years. I'm going to continue buying this. I have a couple lotions from Bath & Body Works. I have the Pink Lemonade and the Cupcake. I'm not sure what this one is. I like Bath & Body Works lotions. I think they're like the only ones that I really use. Even though I just went to the drugstore and I picked up some more body lotions, so I will be trying different ones this month, but the Bath & Body Works ones I really do like. And then Chris went through one of these 3-in-1 body washes from Bath & Body Works. This is in the scent Teakwood. I put that in here. I'm not sure why, but I just did. So I also went through this hydrating body oil from Pure Romance. My niece sells Pure Romance products. I love to spray this on myself after I get out of the shower. It just hydrates your skin right away. Like, it just instant hydration. I have really dry skin in the winter times here in Minnesota. My skin is really dry, so when I get out, I need to like lotion up right away. This is nice because I can just literally spray this all over my body, kind of rub it in a little bit. It will leave your skin kind of oily a little bit, but not bad. I went through another one of these macadamia natural oil leave-in conditioner repair whatever. You guys, I go through these a lot. I actually don't have any more, so if I find them at TJ Maxx, because that's where I pick them up, I will repurchase this because I really do like them. This one was $14 or $15 from TJ Maxx. I'm not sure how much it is if you buy it like from their actual store or like website, but $15 at TJ Maxx, I feel like that's a good deal, right? I went through this tiny little shower gel from Bath & Body Works. It's You're the One. I believe Chris got me this, and I used this while I was in Vegas. I went through a lot more than 2 deodorants, but I think I just ended up throwing them away. But I went through the Dove one and the Clinique, or no, not Clinique. This is Secret. Which one is it? The Secret one. This is the one that I really like. So the Dove one, I like both of them. They're both clinical protection deodorants because I sweat bad. But this one has, it looks like that. So this one is not a solid, but the Secret one is. And I don't go through the Secret ones as much as I would with the Dove ones because this is a solid. So I go through this way less. So I've been really liking this brand more. They do the exact same. So if you want something that's gonna, like, you put it on in the morning, you just go throughout the day and you don't have to worry about sweating. Both of these are amazing, but for me, I just go through this one way too fast. I have a couple lotions here. I went through one of these little Bath & Body Works lotions. I like this. I took this with me to Vegas and I just threw it in my purse, so I had some lotion on the go. And then I also went through this Sol de Janeiro one. in Vegas. This is what I used the entire time that I was in Vegas. So when I would get out of the shower, I use this. And this is all it is, just the travel size one. And we were in Vegas for I think 5 days, and it was gone when I got home. Like, I went through it all in Vegas, but yeah. So that was nice to just be able to take a little travel size one instead of the whole big, because you know how big they are. And yeah. And then I went through this moisturizing shower gel from Sol de Janeiro. I liked it. The scent on it, the scent is amazing. It does have a really good scent. I have a few of the Scentbird perfumes. I say a lot in my videos. So this is a monthly subscription, which I'm going to cancel just because I have so many perfumes I don't need anymore. But I wanted to see them or try these out to see if I like them or not, and I did. You get 2 of them. I forgot how much they are a month. I think it's like $20 or $30 a month. You get 2 of them. I go through my perfumes really fast, so for me it's not really worth it. But if there's perfumes that you want to try out because you don't know if you want to buy them or not, this would be a really good option for you to find the brand or find the perfume that you want to try out, get it, see if you like it. If you do, then you can go buy the whole full size of it. But yeah, I have what, 5 of them here. The next thing that I went through here is these Lily lashes. I forgot if I liked them or not. Oh, you know what? Yeah. So I used these and I couldn't apply them. I tried and tried and tried and tried and I couldn't. The lash band was so thick that I think that's the reason why I was having problems with it. But I heard good things about Lily lash. No, actually, did I just lie to you guys? Did I get them on? I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure. A couple more things here is I have this Alila B a glow face mist. I really like this. I bought this because I was following a Paige Corin makeup video and she used this in her video, and I have to say I really like it. It is very glowy, so in the winter months this would be perfect for me. In the summer months I get kind of oily, so this wouldn't be the best one to use. But yeah, I think I will be repurchasing the full size of that. And then I went through one of these MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. As you guys know, I love these. I already have a full size one, like a brand new one in my drawer waiting for me to use. Okay, we're getting to the end here. I went through one of these, what is it, Wet n Wild micro brow pencils. I have to say I really like this. It was really thin. It's like totally gone. It was really thin, so it was really nice to be able to like really get in there and carve out your brows and stuff. The only thing with this is it dried out pretty fast and then it started breaking as I was using it. So I don't know if I would necessarily buy this again. I liked it while it was new. Now maybe this was just mine, because I'm sure I think other people were talking about it and they didn't talk about it drying out. So maybe this was just I got a bad product. So if I find it in the stores, I'll probably buy it again, because I did like how small the tip was. I went through this L'Oreal Miracle Blur Instant Eye Smoother. This was not good. It did not lay good underneath my makeup at all. It made my under eyes look really dry. I thought it was going to be like this miracle under eye, like smooth out the wrinkles and everything, but it didn't. I believe there's still product in here, and yeah, I didn't care for that. So then I went through the Elf Holy Hydration Cleansing Balm. Again, I liked it like the Clinique one, but when I used it around my eyes, for some reason, as much as I'm like closing my eyes as tight as possible, it still gets in my eyes, and then I have to use a Q-tip to get the product out. If it wasn't for that, I would love this product, but the cleansing balms, unfortunately, I can't really use them around my eyes. I can use them on my entire face, but when it comes to around my eyes, I get really scared because I get them in my eyes. If anyone else has a problem with that, let me know, because I feel like I'm the only one. I did so much research and I haven't heard anyone else talk about that except for me, and I'm like, am I using this product wrong? I don't know. I have 2 products left. This one is from Laneige. This is a lip sleep-in mask. You guys, I have so many of these. I really like them. I have one in my bathroom, one in my car, and I have a bunch back there. I like these. I like to apply them on my lips before I do makeup. I like to apply them on my lips before I go to bed, when I wake up in the morning, after I get done with my skincare routine, like throughout the day. I use these all the time. I like them a lot. The last thing that I have here is some hair dye. I buy my hair dye from Sally's. I love this brand. This is from the brand Age Beautiful. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!